Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download 7-Zip for Windows 11 step by step clearly. Visit your web browser. In the address bar, type in 7-zip.org and press enter. Once on the 7-Zip homepage, locate the download section. Identify the version suitable for your Windows. For most users, the 64-bit x64 version is recommended. Click on the link to download the installer. The download should begin automatically. Once the file is downloaded, navigate to your Downloads folder. Locate the file named 7z.exe. Double-click on the file to run the installer. If prompted by User Account Control, click Yes to allow the installation. In the installation window, choose your preferred installation location or leave it as the default. Click on the Install button to proceed. The installation process will begin and should only take a few moments. Once completed, a confirmation window will appear. Click OK to finish the installation. You can now find 7-Zip in your Start menu. To ensure it works, open 7-Zip and browse its features. You're now ready to use 7-Zip on Windows 11. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.